Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripjo, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2019. Today is the middle of the week, and we're getting over the middle of the week. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on all the great choices you will make today. You may be seated. Celebrating a birthday today is Allison Munoz in first grade. Have a happy birthday, and don't forget to get your birthday gift from me today or tomorrow. Have an amazing day. All right, our focus for today is Rattlers being relentless. It is a chilly, gloomy day. You're going to have to push yourselves to try hard and not give up today. Also, make sure that you're washing your hands. This time of year, a lot of us start getting sick. So it's a really easy thing, and it's been scientifically proven to keep people healthy. It's just washing your hands and really scrubbing with the soap and making sure your hands are completely dry when you leave the bathroom. Our vocabulary word of the day is vast. It is a very extent or quantity. It is immense. So, think of an ocean. When you're standing next to a big, huge body of water, really any huge body of water, and you feel small, that ocean or that body of water is vast. So it's huge, it's big, and you feel very small. Announcements. Well, today's Wednesday, so that means you go to your third block for academic block. But your uniform pants and uniform shoes should be the same. If you are wearing a sports jersey today, that is okay. And I know a lot of you are wearing your Astros jerseys, waiting for another big game. But if you are not wearing a jersey, you should be in your regular polos. So today we're teaming up against drugs, wearing our favorite sports teams. Tomorrow we are too smart to do drugs. Dress as your favorite storybook character. So I know you guys, we read way more at IDEA than at any other school. Well, I'm sure you have a favorite storybook character, and everyone should be celebrating their favorite storybook character tomorrow by dressing up like them. However, we are not wearing masks. We're not bringing weapons. And if you happen to bring something like that, we're going to have your parents come pick it up, or we're just going to take it away from you. So don't even do that. Just come to school without a mask. No little pretend weapons or anything like that. We're not celebrating Halloween. Okay. So today we have a lot of studying and practicing because tomorrow 5th grade is taking their science test. Good luck. And on Friday, the 2nd grade has a math test. Unfortunately, we were short a couple of people to make attendance yesterday. So we had 13 scholars out, which means we only had a 97% attendance. So we did not meet our goal. You guys, it's going to be chilly and rainy. But we are just going to have to prepare better and make sure that we have the proper attire to wear to school. But that shouldn't be an excuse for you to stay at home. Also, if your parents are having any trouble getting you here, tell them to call us, JoJo, your teachers. Let us know so we can help you problem solve. It's not worth you missing a day of school. Also, you want to be present every day during the week so that you may qualify for our Friday raffles. Get ready to say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready, go. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a wonderful Wednesday. Remember, the choice is yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, take a few minutes now to call parents if students are out or dojo message them and make sure you're adding all the details to the ADA group text.